Hello, it's Roland Mills, a classically trained opera singer and former starving artist. Welcome to my channel. I am here to inspire you to make money and build real wealth, so subscribe for more personal finance conversations like this one. Today, we're going over the Chinese electric vehicle maker NIO and their upcoming NIO Day event. By the end of this video, you'll have a brief summary of who NIO is and how phenomenally their stock has performed this year, my predictions for NIO stock after NIO Day, and a big warning to NIO investors. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss a second of this. Quick disclaimer, I am not a licensed financial advisor. I'm just an opera singer on YouTube, sharing what information has worked for me in the hopes that it will inspire you to grow your wealth as well. Before we get started, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would smash that like button. It helps spread the word to other people like you. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell thing that's probably right in front of my face so you don't miss out on future tips I'll be dropping along the way. Alrighty then, let's get into it. NIO, China's answer to Tesla and the only EV company currently positioned to take that #2 spot. Just like Tesla, they have taken a very big stake in autonomous driving technology. They partnered up with a company called Mobileye, which actually used to be the company Tesla worked with in developing their autonomous software. Mobileye and NIO are approaching autonomy in much the same way that Tesla has, by skipping LiDAR technology in favor of utilizing the deeper, more data-rich input of video. Their cars will be able to see, and the artificial intelligence they are developing is being fed plenty of tasty neural network building data. Currently, NIO has a lineup of SUVs and crossovers. While Tesla still boasts better range and performance at a better price, I must admit, NIO vehicles are more luxurious. NIO also has an army of loyal fans, similar to, the ones that Tesla boasts. Though NIO is nowhere near as large as Tesla yet, many view NIO as their second chance to snag the massive gains they missed out on when they didn't buy Tesla at the same price last year. Over the course of this year, NIO stock has risen a whopping 1,353%. Yeah, I didn't stutter. As Tesla alerted the market to the possibilities within this industry, more and more money has been sent their way. As the saying goes, a rising tide lifts all boats, and all of the EV companies currently listed on the US stock exchange have benefited from Tesla's hype. NIO has some very interesting catalysts coming this month that could cause the stock to rise even higher. I'll list my top 5 here. Number 1. For starters, analysts like Min-Sun Lee of Bank of America upgraded NIO's price target from $54 to $59 a share. I suspect we'll go far beyond that share price shortly, but their confidence in NIO matters. Number 2, we're about to see a huge January sales push. In response to China's government reducing the EV subsidy NIO customers had previously benefited from, NIO has announced that if customers pay their deposit before January 10th, NIO will allow them to purchase their vehicle at the same out-of-pocket cost they used to expect in 2020. Number 3, on January 3rd, NIO released their delivery numbers, and it looks like they have increased deliveries by 121% year over year. 2020 was marked by recurring record-breaking months culminating in December. Of the 43,728 cars NIO delivered, 7,007 of them was done in December alone. Assuming they kept this pace up, they would at least double their production in 2021. Each quarter, we kept seeing their margins increase as well. Their Q4 earnings call will likely cause the stock to jump even higher, which is always good news for investors. Number 4, China and the European Union just pushed to finalize an investment deal before President-elect Biden takes office. This deal will allow China and the EU greater access to each other's markets. In exchange for this access, both sides have agreed to play more fairly, giving up distortive practices like forced technology transfers and enhancing transparency of subsidies. This deal is still mostly confidential and is awaiting approval in writing, so if things change by the time I post this video, don't be mad at me. The main thing to take from this is that 2021 could see NIO's expansion into European markets, which will greatly increase their customer base. Last but not least, let's talk about number 5. NIO Day. On January 9th, 2021, NIO will be hosting a NIO Day event, during which they'll unleash their first ever sedan. This is huge because all they have right now are SUVs, and sedans represent 50% of China's vehicle demand. NIO will also be sharing the latest development of their autonomous driving technology. With Tesla having recently released a beta version of their fully self-driving software, many of us are crossing our fingers that NIO unveils something competitive. If they do, who knows how high NIO stock could soar? Or it could plummet. I'm still scratching my head as to why Tesla stock dipped after battery day. So if you're looking to pick up some shares of NIO before NIO Day and are new to buying stocks, here's some juicy info for you.
Alright guys, this is Webull. If you use my link in the description below, you can get 4 free stocks. Webull is a self-directed brokerage app that helps you to research and execute trades on the stock market. It's free, like no money at all for commissions on trades, for contract fees and options trading, and to manage the account itself. Right now, if you open up a Webull brokerage account, between now and the middle of this month, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $250. If you then make your initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another 2 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600. That's absolutely free money and the best investment advice I could give you right now.
Okay, before I give today's summary, I wanted to add in a little bit of a warning to future and current NIO investors. Don't get me wrong, I own shares of NIO, and they have made me very happy this year. Unlike Tesla, which I plan on holding like forever, I only plan on holding NIO stock for 3 to 5 years, depending on how well they overcome the challenges that I'm about to mention. First off, let's talk about NIO's battery swap technology. This is an approach that Tesla also originally considered, but quickly discarded, and for good reason. For all you NIO fans, please don't throw shade my way in the comments section just yet. You know, I'm just saying, just hear me out first, you know. Just hear me out first. NIO's ability to swap out used up batteries for fresh ones is very convenient, especially if you're in a very urban area with limited access to your own personal charger at home. That said, in order to keep every NIO swap station stocked in a way that's effective, NIO will have to produce far more batteries than they do cars. On Tesla's Battery Day event, Elon Musk urged all battery producers, including Panasonic, LG Chem, and CATL, which is NIO's battery partner, to dramatically increase their ability to pump out batteries. We run a very real risk of a battery shortage slowing down production for all automakers, except for Tesla, who will be ramping up their own battery production alongside the construction of their new batteries. If we run low on batteries, NIO may have to slow down, which will cause their stock price to plummet. Another warning I've got to give surrounds the bill that the House of Representatives recently passed. It sets the stage for delisting Chinese companies from the US stock exchange. The bill states that any Chinese company listed on the US stock exchange must submit to an audit of their financials. This protects investors from companies who might lie about their financials to inflate the stock price, enabling inside traders to cash out before the real numbers are discovered. Companies must receive an official audit from the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board, or the PCAOB. Unlike Xpeng and Li Auto, 2 of NIO's Chinese competitors, NIO believes that they may be compliant, but if they get delisted, that will cause a lot of people to lose a lot of money, which is why I'm personally not buying more NIO stock leading up to the NIO Day event, and buying more Tesla stock instead. Just to summarize today's video, NIO is China's answer to Tesla in the autonomous electric vehicle race. Though NIO is nowhere near as large as Tesla yet, buying in now could give investors massive gains, as the rates of their growth in 2021 could equal Tesla's growth in 2020. Over the course of this year, NIO stock has risen a whopping 1,353%. January 2021 may host 5 catalysts capable of boosting NIO stock even higher. Many analysts have increased their price targets for NIO. January should see NIO sales soar as NIO offers an incentive to consumers. Put your deposit down before January 10th and lock in those lower prices. NIO increased deliveries by 121% year over year. At this rate of growth, I predict NIO will at the very least double their production production and delivery numbers in 2021. NIO and the EU rushed to strike a deal that could result in NIO's expanded access to European markets. More customers equals more sales. On Saturday, January 9th, NIO will host a NIO Day event, updating the world on the progress of their autonomous technology and revealing their first ever sedan. Autonomous vehicles are the future. I, for one, can't wait until I can sit in one of my 3 Tesla Cybertrucks, which I pre-ordered by the way, and have it drive me to work while I nap or read a book, like this one, written by my beautiful wife, Jessie Marie. Link below in the description if you're curious. Well, that's the end of today's video. I hope you found it educational and entertaining. I'll eventually monetize this channel just so YouTube will blast it out to more people, but I really am not doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I truly believe there must be a way for artists like myself to create without becoming starving artists. Stay tuned for more personal finance tips, reaction videos, and stories from my days as a performer in the future. In the meanwhile, feel free to follow me on Instagram and comment down below if there's a topic you'd like to see me tackle next. Till the next time, I hope you all keep creating and spreading love through your art. That's something money cannot buy, and it's the best part of the human experience. Much love. Bye.